Hi guys, welcome to today's quick guide. In this video, we're gonna share with you some quick ways to find files on Mac and also introduce you to Commander One, a tool that can enhance your file management experience. Let's dive in. Opens up our list Spotlight, a handy built-in feature on your Mac. All you gotta do is click the magnifying glass located in the upper right corner of your Mac and bam! Spotlight pops up. Another useful hack is pressing Command plus spacebar to invoke the Spotlight window. After that, start typing the name of the file and watch the result appear in the form of a list. Now let's check how to perform a search with built-in file manager for Mac. Finder. For this, click the Finder icon in the dock. After that, navigate and click the little magnifying glass in the top right. Type in what you're after, could be a file name, a keyword, or anything. As you start typing your query, Finder will instantly show the search result. However, the above methods have limitations, especially when dealing with complex file structures. Imagine having to find a file inside the archive. Searching in Finder may only give you the archive name, requiring you to unpack and perform the search again. This is where Commander One comes to the rescue. It allows you to quickly find, open, and preview files with no need to extract archives. Sounds great, right? So how does it work? So launch the app. Click the Search File toolbar button. In the window that opens, adjust the search filters. Click the Search button. Once the wanted files are found, you can use the file. Go to a search result either with the Go to File button. Work with the whole file list by clicking Fit to Active Panel button. Another cool thing about Commander One worth noting is that it lets you search your files in connected cloud storages like Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, etc. Yep, you've heard it right. The steps for finding files there don't differ from the ones shown before. All you have to do is click the Search File toolbar button, adjust the search filters, click the Search button, and that's it! A link to the guide how to easily connect your cloud storage can be found in the description section of the video. As this is not the whole list of benefits offered by the app, as Commander One is more than just searching app, it is a full-fledged file manager that allows you to work with files on connected devices, whether iOS, Android, or even cameras. It also has a built-in archive with support for archive types, which offers an extra layer of protection for online files thanks to encryption feature, and much more. Intrigued? Try Commander One and take Mac file search and management to a new, more flexible level. Don't waste your time. Check the description section of the video. Find download link, install the app, and enjoy. And don't forget about discount coupon waiting for you there. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure subscribe and click notification bell and stay tuned for more videos. See you next time and thanks for watching.